What's up, guys? This is Ryan Johnson with MoneyVass.com, and today looks like I got a special delivery that came for me in the mail today. Alright, so just wanted to do a quick unboxing of some things that I ordered during the Black Friday sale from Tackle Warehouse. They had things that were 20% off, and decided to go ahead and snatch up a few things that I plan on working on during our off season. We have received our new schedule for the 2022 Rod Bender Bass Club season, so I will go over that with you guys in a later video. But for now, let's just go ahead and take a quick look at what I picked up from Tackle Warehouse. All right, just the receipt and the shipping information. And it looks like it is a partial order because everything I ordered is not in this package right now. Let me just take a look and see. Maybe some of it could have been on back order. I don't think it was though. Okay, yeah, so it's just a partial order right now. But basically what I picked up, see if you guys can see that. I picked up 3 Duro Realis spy baits, and let me see, this is a G-Fix 80, and I also picked up a Spin Bait 72. That's the Alpha series. And this one right here is a nice looking bait. It looked pretty good whenever I was going through the different options of colors that they had. Let's see what this one is. This is a Ghost Minnow in the Spin Bait 72 Alpha. And let's see, these right here. This one is actually the, let's take a look at that one, American Shad. So I went ahead and got 2 of these because I actually don't have any more. Because the 1 or 2 that I had previously, those had broken off. And I also picked up some suspend strips. So nothing really too extravagant, but just have some plans of working on my jerkbait game a little bit during our off season. So whenever we start back up in January, February, when that cold water is going to be in full effect, just plan on trying a few things out with my jerkbaits. But that's all I have for you guys. Just wanted to make a quick video, let you see a few things that I got from Tackle Warehouse. If you guys made any orders, or if you have any new baits or techniques that you're planning on working on, please put that down in the description area, in the comment section, so that we can continue, to go back and forth, share some information. Maybe there'll be some things in there that'll help me out, and I'll try to keep putting some information out that will help you guys out on the water. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.